Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to put together this little cot that I got from my grandson. He's 3 years old, he's going to be 4 in March, and we're going to see how this does with him. And I got this from regalo. Let me see, that's the name of the company that I purchased this from. So we're gonna open this up and see what we got. So let's open this. Let me pick this. Let me fix this where y'all can see me. Okay, so here it is, and let's open it up. Okay, so we're back, and this is Charles, my husband, and he is going to be demonstrating how to put this together. This is the little sheet, and like I said, this is the little cot that I purchased, and we're going to put it together for you.
Call me Big C.
We're going to assemble this. Okay, so let's get it down so they can see what you're doing.
Like old school and high school.
Okay, Charles. Let's see. All right. I think it's recording.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Pull out. You can see.
Oh, here goes some little instructions. Give us the dimensions of it.
Of course, you would put me on the spot to say the dimensions after we have a look. Appreciate it, though, guys.
I think it's 48 inches long, maybe.
Yes, it says here. Well, I got to the Spanish instructions somehow. I apologize. But it says 48 inches long, which is 4 feet, more than enough for our grandson. Depending on if I get in a doghouse or not, I might be sleeping on it. Who knows?
All right, so let's see. What comes with it?
Of course, the cot itself, which seems to be very sturdy, durable, comes with its own little fitted sheet. I'm not sure if it comes in any other colors. That's the color.
Yeah, I think it comes in different colors. This one was royal blue, and it's for a boy. Well, girls they like blue too. But I'll list the different colors that are available.
Of course, you know, fitted sheets aren't made for guys, so bear with me. As you can see.
Oh, that looks pretty nice.
Right, we'll add a little pillow to it. Now, is our grandson gonna sleep on it? We'll see.
Let's see if he'll come lay on it and demonstrate for us. Mason, come here. Come here. Come say hi to the camera. Wave. Tell him hey.
Hey.
Okay.
Tell him your name. So my name Mason.
Okay. Look, we got you this cot. We want you to get on it and lay down so we can see if it's a good fit for you. Okay. Get on there.
Lay down. Don't stand on it. Lay on it. Like a bed. There you go. Sit down. First. Now lay down.
Oh yeah.
Look that way so the camera can see you.
Yeah, that's a good fit for you. We just got to get you a little pillow and some cover, right? Okay. Thank you, Mason.
So you're welcome.
Okay, so that's going to do it for this video. And I think Mason is going to enjoy sleeping on this cot tonight when we put his cover on it along with his pillow. So once again, we purchased this from this company. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There it goes. That's the name of the brand of the little cot. And so we would like to thank you for tuning in, watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Tell them bye, everybody.
Bye.